Let's pick back up where we left off with data type conversions and the data type castings. Start by converting an object to a variable. Double source 3 equals 12.12. Source 3 is an object, and we cannot cast an object. It works different than the previous example, int destination 2 equals int source 2. Let me show you. Int destination 3 equals int source 3. See the error? Cannot cast from double to int. Notice the difference between both double data types. One D is uppercase and the other D is lowercase. And uppercase D represents a class and the lowercase d is a primitive data type. We must use a method from the class to perform a conversion. Java provides a corresponding class for each primitive data type. Remove the cast int and keep source 3 but add a dot. And we see all of these methods from the double class. intValue returns the double value represented by source 3. Then convert the value to type int. Now the error goes away. This is how we convert an object to a variable. The object source 3 and the variable destination 3. Let's add some print statements. I am going to separate each section by adding another statement of horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Copy and paste in this section. The print statement will be sysout original double object value source 3. Sysout convert object to int variable plus destination 3. Let's run. Bingo. Original double object value is 12.12. Then convert the object to int and the value is 12. Now let's convert a string to a number. String source equals 100 in double quotes. Double destination 4 equals double dot. Parse double returns a double value representing the string 100. Then we select source. In the same way, we can parse an integer. Parse means it is analyzed for the correct syntax. Integer destination 5 equals integer dot parse int. Select source. This method returns an integer. Let's print the values. And I'm going to copy. No, I'm going to just type them out. Sysout original string value plus source. Sysout convert to double plus destination 4. I'm going to copy and paste this line and change double to integer and change destination 4 to 5. Now let's print. There it is. As expected, we see original string value is 100. When converted to a double, it's 100.0 and 100 when converted to an integer. That's it for data type conversions and castings. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. And the transcripts and code and presentations, I always put them on GitHub. For LinkedIn, I release videos just about every day. Transcripts also on LinkedIn. On YouTube, videos are released and created on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. The same with Facebook. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to get notification of each video by clicking the bell icon. And I'll see you next time.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.